Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and today we're going to talk about eyes, our mature eyes, and mine are not great at all. They're getting more and more, wrinkles and downward turn, that kind of thing. But you know what? There is a new liquid eyeshadow. I want to show it to you. And I'm going to use two colors, just two colors. And this is all you would need to get out the door quickly. And it stays all day. It's waterproof and you will love it. I have been living it up here in the summer of in Alabama. And let me just tell you, it holds up pretty darn good. So come on, let's go do this together. Okay, so what I've done so far is I put a little bit of this beautiful Estee Lauder Double Wear. I love it. This is the color in 1N, and I put it on my lids all the way up to the brow. That way everything is one color. So that's where we want to start. And you can put powder over this if you want to. I'm not going to. I'm just going to simply start using the liquid eyeshadows right over this concealer. We're going to use two colors, just two colors, Bronze and Bougie. Say that 3 times quick. And then this one is Frosted Sand. So this one is so pretty on. I love it because it gives us the most beautiful bronzed eye look. Kind of smoky, because that's what we're after today. We're going to kind of do a smoky eye look. So you don't have to be perfect at it, right? When it's a smoky eye. So these are our two products, and this is where we're headed. I'm going to do one eye for you, okay? And then you can be able to see the difference in the two eyes. So I'm going to use this side here first. And this is Bronzed and Bougie, girlfriend. And we're going to use like a cream shadow brush. You can draw this on your eyes, but for me, I have hooded eyes, so I really like to be able to have control. And so I'm just going to put a little bit on here, like that. Not a whole lot. And I'm going to cover, like crease and above at the moment, and blend upwards. Now, once this sets, it sets, girl. It sets pretty quick. So make sure that you can use your finger for this. You do not have to apply it with a brush. You can definitely do it with your finger. I've done it both ways, and I really prefer having this brush. And I will link this product for you because it is an amazing brush to use for this. And so at this point, you can keep it like that, or you can build it. And don't worry about getting out of here because we are going to clean that up on the back side toward the end. You know how I am. I am on here on Sundays only. I wish I could do more. I just still am very busy. And I help and take care of my mother-in-law. So I spend a lot of time with her. And so this is a Sunday that I'm doing this. So I didn't have time today because we've had company all weekend. So, oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, we're going to change directions and we're going to lighten this up. Now we're going to lighten this up with Frosted Sand. There is a lighter color than this, and it's called Champagne Bubbles, but it is very bright. And I want to keep this more on a smoky eye kind of feel. So this one here is going to brighten up our lid. So you can go ahead and apply it directly to the lid. You can either use a brush or you can just use your finger if you want to. These are very blendable. They're very soft and blendable. I love it. I think Unique has outdone themselves with these. I absolutely think they last all day. And I do believe that this pair right here are my dynamic duo, as I say sometimes. And I believe it because it's so pretty on the eye. And this blends in just beautifully. Now, I am doing my whole entire lid so that it looks, see there, I got a lid now. Yay, girlfriend. And because I have hooded eyes. So do it a little at a time. I think it's better instead of putting a lot of it to blend it out because it does dry very quickly and it sets. And that's the one reason I like them so much is that you're trying to get out the door, in the morning when you're working, and this is just so easy to do. And you can actually, I have used this on my lips, right in the center. I don't have that on today, but I have. Looks really pretty. Now we're going to bougie it up now just because we're going to go like more bronzy color, and we're going to add a liner, and we're going to come under here. Oh girl, it's going to be so pretty. Now I'm going to use my favorite pencil. This is the color Proper, which is a dark chocolate. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, you can use black if you want to. Just depends on how much drama you want to create. But you see, I'm just going to come right along the edge of my lashes, right through here. I'm not coming all the way in the corner because I do have close-set eyes. So I prefer to keep it more from like pupil and over. And I'm going to use a brush. Let's see. I think I love a little bullet brush. But I think I'll just use, if I can find it here, my concealer. A crease brush. I love it. Let's use it. And then you can blend this out. Just like this. And this is what I like to do. Now, this is what's going to give it that lifted look. You're going to take your, whatever liner you're using, and you can come right here at the very lash, end of that lash, and just kind of push it upward. Not a whole lot. You see that? There we go. Now what I'm going to do is just blend this out. I'm going to blend it upward, and I'm going to pull it back into my crease. And guess what? We have got stay-proof eyeshadow, eyeliner all day. I'm not kidding. This is so pretty. Wait till we get to the end. You're going to love this. And if you want to add a little more, you can. You can get a little more. And I've already done my under eyes. And what I will do is use some of this propper here for that. So we are going to kind of bougie it out, as they say. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to go do this other eye. And then we're going to come back. We're going to finish this up. Okay, there we are. What do you think? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I used these two. I used this and this, my mascaras. Okay, I used, this one here is Quadra. It's like, got a built-in primer. It's a tubing. It has a growth serum in it, and it's a mascara. And then this one has fibers in it, so that makes your lashes like really long. So I love to put this on first, and then this to pair it with. Perfect combo for your eyes. You will love them. Now, this here is what we're going to use. This is going to have no fallout. It's not going to wind up with blobs all over your eyes. You know what I'm saying? How many of y'all have put something here and then, I don't know, 3 hours later, there's a big blob sitting there. So this won't do that because we're not using eyeshadow. We're actually using this eyeliner, a pencil eyeliner called Proper. And we are going to take this lovely color, and I'm just going to kind of deepen the outer V. That way we have a little bit of a smoky looking eye. I'm going to do this eye for you, and I'll do the other one off camera. But I want you to see how pretty this blends right into what we've already added. And guess what? There's no fallout with it. So we are going to run this under here as well, which I haven't been doing in a while. But, you know, I did it, and I was like, why have I not been doing this? I've been doing it halfway. So I really wanted that dramatic kind of effect today, and I think I really did hit it. Yes, I came home, washed my face off, and was doing this for you. We had company, and I just couldn't get it done. I just couldn't. When you got kids here, you just can't do that kind of stuff. It's too noisy, and I would be too distracted. So I'm going to just put tight line down here a little bit, just like I used to when I was a little bit younger. I'm 63. So if you're wondering, I'm 63. It's like the thrill of a century to be this age. Now I'm going to take a little clean brush, and we're going to kind of smudge this out. This is BK Beauty's, what is it? 207? Yes. Little tiny brush, but it's great for this. It's blending it all out, smoothing it out. You're going to love this. How easy is that? Okay, I'm going to go do the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, and here's our finished eye look. Isn't that beautiful? Let me close my eyes down just a little bit. So darn pretty and so easy. 2 eyeshadows and 1 dark popper brown pencil, eye pencil. And we are going to use this on my face to give it a nice little shine, which I absolutely adore. I do. I love this. This is Revolution's Dewy Finish. Oh my gosh, it's Fix and Glow. And glow is the word. See that? How it just gives me that glow. And look how it goes around inside there. Oh my goodness. You need this. And I will put the link for that too, because I purchased it off of Amazon when I get it. Oh my goodness, I love this. All right, let me close my eyes so you can see. What do you think? You can do it, girl. You can. You can. If I had already put some light up here, but if you wanted to come back and add just a little bit of light, I'll include this little palette here. It's a wonderful little palette. All you will need is just a little fluffy brush like this at the bottom. Take some of that light color and just go over it. I touched it up, but and you need to really get in this corner and touch it up there, because that's where light does need to be, and just bring it up and around. So simple and easy. Okay, you got this, girlfriend. Y'all can do this. Try it with what you have, but if you want to grab some of these products, please do. Everything will be listed in the description box below. And I love you guys, and I will see y'all next Sunday. See you later.